Luckily, we're not all the same, and we don't search in the same ways, which is why we created Bing. Bing allows people to search differently. Our users search their world, not just the web. They are searching with the products they already own: smartphones, tablets, even Xbox. Bing thinks outside of the search box to get things done. Just like Bing meets the needs of searchers, Bing Ads meet your needs as an advertiser by reaching the entire Yahoo Bing network. That's 163 million unique searchers. Bing helps them accomplish what they want, how they want. We're already helping our customers search differently, and it's time to get your message in front of these searchers. Bing Ads reaches different customers in new ways, and you stay in control of your marketing dollars. Keep your customer search experiences fresh through our constant platform updates and expand your audience while achieving your marketing goals. That's what makes Bing Ads different. Sign up at bingads.com to learn how your ads can become part of the solutions your customers are already using and actively connect with millions of consumers every day.